Hey guys, it is like my third week out here, and today we are waiting for a buddy to come, and I'm gonna get trained on the excavator, this big old boy, the CX-160. We do have to clear some logs that we cut down last time, and then we're heading in that direction. That's where we've already been. So I guess today you just get to hang out and work with me. All right. All right, pull it 5 times with full choke and then go half choke. And we're in business. Well, the blade came out of the chainsaw. I'm gonna just figure out how to put it back on. This is one of those things that you gotta figure out. So here we go. Comes the blade. There's the chain. I have the chain on backwards now. Let's do it all over again. So, we're back at it. Let's see if it'll start and not fly off here. Okay, all right. The chainsaw's come off like 4 times. We're just gonna do it the easy way. I went back to camp and just brought an axe. Done. All right. Yeah, we're not going to do that. Figure something else out. All right, so I just got done with my first training on the excavator. Dude, I don't even know what to say right now. It was awesome. It was awesome. That's all I'm gonna say. Listen, we're gonna finish up here. Then we're gonna go over to the fire place. Me and my buddy, we're gonna write some songs. We're gonna have some spaghetti with chicken tonight that I'm gonna cook for him. And just remember, I love you guys. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.